Hello everyone, today I want to talk about something very special to me, my future family. Even though I don't have family on my own yet, I often think about what kind of family I want to have in my future. Family is one of the most important parts of my life. I grew up in a family what was not perfect, but we have had love, support, and laughter. Those memories made me dream of the kind of family I want to build one day. When I think of my future family, I don't think of sometimes fancy or big. I just want a warm, happy home. In the future, I hope to get married. I don't know who my future wife will be, but I hope she is someone who is kind, understanding, and funny. I want us to be a good team, sharing our lives and raise our children with love. I dream of have two kinds, maybe one son and one daughter, but I will be happy no matter what. I want to be a father who listens, who cares, and who's always there. I imagine our morning begin slow and peaceful. Maybe I will cook breakfast while our kids get ready for school. One weekend, we could go to the park, ride bikes, and have movie night with popcorn at home. I want to build a life where my kids feel safe to be themselves. I want them to feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and dreams with me. In my future family, communication will be important. I want to listen to my wife and I want us to solve problems together. I want to talk with my kids every day, not just about school, but about how they feel, what they think, what they like, what they are afraid of, and what makes them happy. I believe that when we talk and listen with love, our family becomes stronger. I don't want to be a strict or scared father. I want to be someone they can trust. I want to play with my kids, read them stories at night, and be there for all their firsts. First step, first word, first day at school. I know I won't be a perfect dad, but I want to be the kind of daddy who tries his best every day. I want to teach my children to be kind, to respect people no matter who they are, to be honest even then it's hard, and to always keep earning and growing. More than anything, I want to show them that they are loved, not because they are perfect, but just because they are themselves. Sometimes I wonder, why is this dream of a future family so important to me? I think it's because families is where love begins. It's the first place we learn who we are. And I want my future children to grow up knowing that days are saved, sins are loved. Of course, life doesn't always go as planned. Maybe things will be different than I imagine. Maybe there will be hard times, but no matter what, I hope I never forget this dream, because even just thinking about my future family makes me want to be a better person today. Thank you for listening.